this is how you can reset it and get back onto your online banking. It is just simple. I'm going to show you how it is done. But if let's say you are new to this GCB bank account and you want to create your account online, okay, so if you want to create an account online and get a virtual Visa card or Mastercard online, everything, just check in the comment section for a link and then tap on it to watch how you can do everything. So with how you can reset your password, it is just simple. So when you open the app, just tap on forgot password right here. So when you tap on it, you are going to enter your phone number that you use to register your account. Just enter it right here. After that, just tap on next down here and you choose any verification option. So we have selfie verification of Ghana card, and then we have the security question and answer. So those of you who remember the security question that you set, you can choose that one, but I would highly recommend the first one, being the selfie verification of Ghana card. So it's just going to take a deep recording of your face, so it's just normal pictures of your face to match the details that you use to register your account. So that the Ghana card, on the Ghana card, your picture is there and some of your details are there. So taking your picture will just prove to them that yes, it is you and everything is just matching. So you are going to take a picture. First, you select the selfie verification of Ghana card and then you tap on next down here. So you are going to take the selfie and you see it right here. So you just make sure you are inside it as you see me right now. I am inside, okay, and then I'm watching you right now. So just subscribe and follow me for more. So you see me, let me just take a picture. And before you take the picture, make sure you're not wearing any hat or any lens. And also avoid shadow on your face. Make sure your picture is clear and without blur, okay. And then also the selfie should show your full face. As you see with my face, you can see it very clear, okay. So your full face should be in the picture, and then also it should be in a very clear area. So make sure everything is clear, just like mine. You can see my face. I'm not wearing any hat, I'm not wearing any glasses, just like this. And then you take your picture. After taking your picture, look down and then you tap on continue, or you retake it if let's say you see your face as blur or there is something wrong with it, okay. So from there, you are going to set a new password. So you create a new password and then you confirm it. But make sure the password that you are creating or setting up, you are just abiding to the password requirements. So we have all these requirements for you to just follow. So starting from the first one, you must have a minimum of 7 characters and to a maximum of 15, and then your password must contain at least one letter, and then also must contain one number, and must contain at least one special character, that is, let's say the hash or at or anyone. So you just set a password. Let's take for example, let me just use subscribe for an example, okay. So the first word, when you just enter it, to show you whether the requirements you are just going by it or not. So you can just tap on the I and then it will show you the password that you are typing. So right now we've typed subscribe, and then you can see the requirements that we are done with that, okay. That is the maximum of 7 characters. We are done with that. They must contain one number. We just added one, okay. And then also we have must contain at least one special character. So that one, you just look through your keyboard and then you choose from there. So we have at, we have hashtag, and then we have the underscore. So with mine, when I chose the underscore, you saw that it just stick, and then we had the percentage, and then also we have the dollar sign. So let me just stick with the hash. Let me just try this, okay. So as we do this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. So you choose anyone right here. Let's say subscribe one hash, and then you just enter it down there, and then you will just need to confirm your password, and then you just tap on create new password, and a new password will be created for you. It's just simple. So just make sure you like the video and also follow me for more videos right here on this platform. Stay alive and bye for now.